Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi and today we'll be showing you around this stunning brand new Audi A1 Black Edition Sportback S Tronic. It comes dressed in the gorgeous arrow grey, sure to turn heads when on the road. To the rear you had the privacy glass adding a touch of sophistication, all while standing on 18-inch alloy wheels with the 7-spoke design making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery, the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view such as connection to your mobile phone device and a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as Dynamic for a more sporty drive. Parking gate for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. And driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. Below you have the manual air conditioning so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature while staying connected with the 2 USB charging points. Finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. This brand new Audi A1 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who will be more than happy to help. Thank you.